Hello friends, how are you? Our video today is for me to talk about my electrical spreadsheet. Music. Well, people have been asking about my plane, and my plane is a Marquita SSP plane. It's the MKP-O-O-O-T-E-N-T-E-I-U-M. I think this code has changed now. I'll check it out and I'll put it there for you. The exact code, let's start here by looking at what comes in the case. It comes a stop and a fence. It comes with a jig for sharpening the blades, with a jig for you to position the blade. In it, it has stop to fit the blade, position the blade, and then I'll show you in another video. I'll show you the wiring of the blades of Makita planes. And it's going to come with a key. Well, for you to remove the blades. That's what comes in the kit. Specifically speaking of the planer, it's a planer with 750 watts. It's a strong full. It's a very strong full. It's a planer that has a great advantage, which is this table. Big, a 39 centimeter table. That's a lot, very good. And this stop is big, it's very robust and very big, which also helps a lot in relation to, for you to work, to trim wood, where you really need a bigger piece. Another advantage, as you fit it, it protects itself. The blade against accidents, this already protects the blade, which is an additional safety factor, which is very good in this plane. Remembering that the SP line is the line they call professional. So as people usually call it, it is the second line of Makita. You have to remember that. I've worked with it in hardwoods, making passes of up to 2 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters. I don't like it much more than that because I think it forces the equipment in an unnecessary way. I think you run the risk of making more mistakes, as I said in another video. I always prefer to work taking them off little by little. So I usually work around 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters at a time at most. What's better? Of the things that I wasn't satisfied with this machine, which is its negative point for me, it doesn't come with a dust collector accessory. So much so that I improvised one. I'll leave the link in the description. It'll be there in the corner now for you. The dust collector that I made for it. Another thing that this spreadsheet has as a disadvantage is its weight. According to Makita, it's a 5 kilo plane. So it's not a plane for any job. If you have to do door installation, which we often remove, with the part in place, with the door in place, and work with it vertically. But it's outside operated a lot, so it's not good for this type of job. Well, I think that's it. I'll just leave some images here for those who haven't seen it working with this spreadsheet so you can see. Well, another feature of this plane, which is also a Makita feature, is the ability to change brushes from the outside, which helps us a lot when maintaining the equipment too. So these are positive points. And for those who want to invert the plane, it has this thing here that's really cool. It is straight. You can see that the profile, see? Its profile here is very flat, so you can support it right here upside down like this, and even do a job on site. Here it is already. Relatively stable. You would just need to put a clamp here, and you can work with it inverted. On site, or even for those who are roboticists, have an inverted plane. Converted for small jobs. Okay, guys, so that's it. I'll leave you here with the images of it working, in case you haven't seen it. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you liked it. It's a plane with a good cost benefit. For those looking for a larger plane, it's an excellent option. Right? So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions about the tool, you can ask me. I've had this same tool for 4 years now, so I've been working with it for a long time. And I can guarantee that it's a plane that for professional use, for hobby use. It's a plane that gets the job done. It would be a plane perhaps for someone who's going to work with it 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. Now, it won't last. But other than that, it's an excellent tool. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you liked it and see you next time.